मुसलमानों के इल्मी और तहकीकी वर्से का अमीन और मुहाफ़िज़, अल हुस्ना फोरम।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली व नुसल्लिमु अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बाद. My dear fellows, today we're going to learn about the rules of Tajweed of Meem Sakin. Before we come to the rules of Meem Sakin, let me connect the things and let me conclude and let me give you the summary of the previous discussion. We studied the five articulation points in Tajweed. The fifth articulation of point was the nasal activity. The nasal activity means when the voice, the letters which are produced through our nasal cavity. For example, the letters are Meem and Noon. When we produce Meem and Noon, the voice automatically travel through our nose and nasal. Meem, Noon. So that's mean both of these letters, Noon and Meem, considered as the Ghunna letter. Ghunna, of course, Ghunna means a nasal activity. Ghunna, Noon, Meem, Noon. When we hold and hide our voice into our nasal, so this is called Ghunna. So both letters, the Noon and Meem, it produces as Ghunna. But there are certain rules. Sometimes there is Ghunna, sometimes there is no Ghunna. There are rules. For example, the rule 1 we learn about the Noon Mushaddad and Meem Mushaddad. So there is must Ghunna whenever Noon or Meem carries Shad. Wa amma fa inna Shad. Noon Mushaddad, Meem Mushaddad means must Ghunna. Then we learn the rule 2 about Noon Sakin and Noon Tanween, means nonation. Whenever Noon Sakin occurs any place or Tanween occurs any place in the Quran, so there are 4 different states we learn. Number 1, Izhar. Number 2, Idgham. Number 3, Iqlab. And number 4, Ikhfa. We learned in detail in previous session. Today we're going to move to the Meem Sakin rules. There are 3 rules of Meem Sakin, and we will learn from 2 surahs of the Quran, Suratul Fil and Surah Quraysh. There are examples of Meem Sakin and its rules. There are 3 rules of Meem Sakin. Number 1, Idgham. Number 2, Ikhfa. And number 3, Izhar. And you can say Idgham as Idgham Shafavi, Ikhfa as Ikhfa Shafavi, Izhar as Izhar Shafavi. Why? Because Meem is among Huruf Shafaviyya, the letters which are produced through our Shafatain. Shafa means lips. The lips are involved when we produce this letter. Meem, 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 Waw, Ba. These are Huruf Shafaviyya. So that's why the rules of Meem Sakin, Idgham called Idgham Shafavi, Ikhfa rules called Ikhfa Shafavi, Izhar rules called Izhar Shafavi. So let us find out the examples from both of the surah, Suratul Fil. For example, when we recite Suratul Fil, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, Alam tara kayfa fa'ala rabbuka bi ashabil fil. Alam, here is Meem Sakin. Kayfa fa'ala rabbuka bi ashabil fil. Alam yaj'al kaydahum, again Meem Sakin. Alam yaj'al kaydahum fi taghril kaydahum, again Meem Sakin. Wa arsala alayhim, again Meem Sakin. Tayran ababil tarmihim bihijaratin min sijil, again Meem Sakin tarmihim. The same situation in the Surah Quraysh. There are also Meem Sakin. لإيلاف قريش إيلافهم رحلة الشتاء والصيف فليعبدوا رب هذا البيت الذي أطعمهم هم من جوع وآمنهم من خوف. So there are several places you can see the Meem Sakin is available in both of the surahs. Let us first learn the three rules. Number one, idgham shafavi. When happens idgham shafavi? Whenever there is another meme comes after meme sakin. So both memes shall be merged and there must be ghunna as well. Meme sakin plus meme, the next meme. Both shall be merged. This is called idgham shafavi. For example, in Surah Quraysh, الذي أطعمهم من جوع أطعمهم meme sakin at the end of أطعمهم, the next meme as well. So both meme would be merged. Another example in the same place, وآمنهم من خوف. Hum, it ends with meme sakin, then next min khawf meme as well. So both meme would be merged. This is idgham shafavi. Meme into meme idgham, must ghunna. And number two, ikhfa shafavi. When ikhfa shafavi happens, when there is ba comes after meme sakin, any place, ba comes after meme sakin. So there shall be ikhfa shafavi plus ghunna. For example, in Surah Al-Fil, ترميهم بحجارة. Please do open Surah Al-Fil and Surah Quraysh, so we can learn the live examples. ترميهم, it ends with meme sakin, the next bihijara, the ba. So whenever ba comes after meme sakin, there is ghunna and it is called ikhfa shafavi. So two letters excluded from all of the alphabets, meme and ba. The last rule is izhar shafavi. Izhar shafavi means clearing the voice. Whenever voice clear, as you remember in the non sakina rules, clear voice means no height in the nasal and no ghunna. Voice must be clear without ghunna. Izhar means without ghunna. Any letters comes other than ba, other than meme, after meme sakin. Any other letter comes, so there must be izhar. For example, alam tara kayfa, alam meme sakin, then next is ta. So ta, that's me, there must not be ghunna but izhar. Alam tara kayfa, no ghunna. ألم تر كيف فعل ربك بأصحاب الفيل. ألم يجعل, another example, ألم يجعل, next is ja, not ba and not meme, that's mean izhar shafavi. And this surah ends with فَجَعَلَهُمْ كَعَصْ. فَجَعَلَهُمْ كَعَصْ. Hum, meme sakin, next is ka, kaf. So this, there is izhar shafavi as well. And there are examples in Surah Quraysh as well. لِإِيلَافِ قُرَيْشٍ إِيلَافِهِمْ, him rihla, him, it ends with mim sakin, next is ra. So there is izhar shafavi. There are a lot of examples. So please, you can practice from the surah assigned to you, where you can extract examples of idgham shafavi, ikhfa shafavi, izhar shafavi, for the better understanding of meme sakina rules. It is end. وَمَا عَلَيْنَا إِلَّا الْبَلَاغُ الْمُبِينُ.